Shout out all the hoods that be doing the thing. Used to wanna do drugs, now he's never sober. I'm alone cause I'm alone, I suck at making friends. Oh, I'd rather be by myself, feel like everybody be frontin'. Suck the dick of the next person, humping and dumping. Ain't nothing left but the thoughts that come out of my mind. Who the fuck is you to judge? Coming home all sprung down on drugs. Made friends with my imagination. Ended up finding pleasure and gore on some damn shit. Get a hard on looking at your body dead. I'm the greatest alive, you just haven't heard of me yet. You can't kill what's been set into motion. If you went broke, how long would you last without working for another man? I'm the future generation, don't forget to lead America. Sick of disrespect, so we ended up grabbing the pistol, clocked it to your head. I show no emotion, cause I don't know what you be plotting in mind. Son's only 25 with no future in mind. Mind over matter, watch his whole entire bladder splatter. How do you heal from that? This is real hardcore rap. Show some love, y'all. Mind over matter, does it even matter? Will he ever meet peace? Does it even matter? Mind over matter, does it even matter? Will he ever meet peace? Does it even matter? Does it even matter if I split the whole entire world in two? That's my motherfucking groove, I'm a goon woo. Trying to make music that will last forever. Yes, I loved her, always and forever in the digital. Yeah, the precious mutual. Speaking in words like a hologram. Throw a beat on, now I'm a motherfucking diagram. The body's naked cause I feel the sexual chakra. Spitting every verse like I'm typing. Don't worry about me, I'm just macking, rapping, lasting in it for the longevity. Saying RIP to my enemies. Now he's in search for God, deported my uncle, even though he voted for Trump. What? These are the stories of the streets. Thought about abortion, but she kept the child cry when she looked into her baby's eyes. I don't even wanna feel the way I felt the night. In the end, everybody dies. Truth is, every man bleeds. I don't wanna hurt nobody, but that doesn't stop somebody trying to hurt me. What? Yeah. Mind over matter, does it even matter? Will he ever meet peace? Does it even matter? Mind over matter, does it even matter? Will he ever meet peace? Does it even matter? Mind over matter, does it even matter? Will he ever meet peace? Does it even matter? Mind over matter, does it even matter? Will he ever meet peace? Does it even matter?